Hello friends, this is the channel of the Eurasian Construction Equipment Plant, and today we have with you such a topic, very reverent, very serious. Many people ask, have you had any returns after buying our equipment? Have there been any complaints? Today I will tell you about some cases. Let's go. Well, I will tell you honestly that at the initial stage, since we designed, invented, patented this equipment, any new equipment is modernized in the process. And when the first customers came to us, we immediately warned that, guys, you buy this equipment at a reduced cost, but we warn you that this equipment is imperfect in some ways, and we will make some modernizations based on your experience. You will give us feedback, and, accordingly, we will somehow improve and modernize it. So initially we had problems in the firmware of the control chip were problems in the tooling, and our customers gave us this feedback. Naturally, we immediately traveled as a service to our customers, and it turns out we made some adjustments to the firmware, supplied new windows, and so on. That is, the equipment was finalized, but it was all about 5 years ago now. For 5 years have already made changes in the design of the equipment. You can see here a picture of what the equipment was before and what equipment we have now. We have strengthened the construction and so on. For 5 years, this equipment has not undergone any changes. Our customers are satisfied. And even those customers who bought equipment from us 6 to 7 years ago, which we made changes, still use our equipment. That is, it works and brings them benefits. So, colleagues, now our equipment, roughly speaking, does not undergo any changes and works for the benefit of our customers. So, friends, here you can see the full line of our equipment at the link in the description. These are machines of the GP series. These are welding rotators for rotation. We have a multi-press, which produces various complete products, that is, bends some products, cuts, and so on, in general functional press, which serves for large tasks. We are also engaged in the production of any screw products. You can see some footage here. Also, the operator will insert such targeted screws. That is, we specialize specifically in the production of equipment to optimize auger production, and directly with us produce augers of any purpose. So, friends, at the link in the description will be all of our product catalogs. There will be a phone number that you can call by mail, make an inquiry, and we'll send you all the information you need. So guys, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for listening. Bye.